Boy, Goku, you really put on some height, didn't you? Here I thought I'd be towering over you. Still, it's great to see you. I mean it.
Thank you so much for saving the world from that mean Piccolo. I did my very best to help Bulma and Yamcha. It's really amazing that you beat him all by yourself.
Well, fella, you're the reason I'm back on old terra firma. I can't thank you enough.
Aw, shucks, no need to thank me, Master Roshi.
You've gotten stronger since I last saw you, haven't you? I expect you to show me how far you've come in this contest.
You got it!
I never would have guessed a shrimp like you would grow up so fast.
I've been so busy training, I didn't really notice.
Anyways, thanks for stopping King Piccolo and bringing our friends back. You did good.
Good job taking down that Piccolo guy! You really are something else!
I wasn't going to let anything stand in my way back then.
Meanwhile, all I could do was track down the bodies of our fallen friends.
And that's the only reason we were able to find them all. Thanks so much, Oolong.
Thanks, Goku!
Master Roshi, Krillin, and Chaiotzu really came back to life. What a relief.
While you were off with Kami, Yamcha was doing some great training of his own. All on his own, actually, even without me. It's because of you that I made it back to the land of the living. Thank you for that.
Of course! I'm glad you're back.
First you beat King Piccolo, then you disappear to train. In the meantime, you grew up as well. I truly can't wait to spar with you again.
That makes two of us.
It's been 3 years since you defeated King Piccolo. I hardly recognize you, Goku.
Bulma did say something about me looking a bit taller.
Talk about an understatement.
Yo!
I haven't been to one of these in way too long. I'm gonna win this time. Maybe I'll take a walk.
Hello there. Sup?
Hey!
Maybe I'll take a walk. Nice! I've got plenty of energy now.
Huh? Are you signing up for the World Tournament too? In that case, please register here. Yes, of course. Let's get you signed in then. Your name is Goku. Did I get that right? All right, your registration is complete. Best of luck out there. Make sure to give it your all.
Attention! Calling all contestants for today's World Tournament. The preliminaries will be starting soon. Please gather in the hall.
It seems the tourney's about to begin.
Say, Master Roshi, did you bring my old gi by any chance?
Don't talk nonsense, Goku. My students are walking their own path these days. You can't be milling around in your old turtle school gear forever. Now, off you go.
Yes!
I can't believe Goku's all grown up. He's gotten pretty studly.
Blech! You're the worst sort of woman.
We're here at last, and I have a front row seat. Time to see how much stronger they've gotten.
Ta-da! Eat your heart out. Isn't it great? I just knew Master Roshi wouldn't let us have our old uniforms back. That's why I had this one altered in the uniform room.
Great minds think alike.
Me too.
Great. And here I thought I'd one-up you two.
Huh?
What's wrong, Goku?
That guy looks like... But that's impossible.
Piccolo, I knew you'd show up eventually.
Goku, is it possible? Did one of Piccolo's henchmen survive?
Yeah, you could put it that way. Let's keep this to ourselves for now. We don't want to upset everyone and stir up trouble.
That guy's strong, I can feel it. You know him, Goku?
Oh, not really. He does look pretty tough though, doesn't he?
Hi, Goku.
Hmm? Huh? Do I know you?
What? You fool!
Wow, what a strange girl.
Goku, who is she?
She's beautiful. A real dream. When did you meet a girl like that?
No clue. I've never seen her before in my life.
Okay, what are you playing at? She clearly knows you. And here I believed you spent that time training at Kami's place.
But I did.
Thanks for your patience, contestants.
Huh. Guess we better get going.
You fiend. I'll get to the bottom of this, believe you me.
If you say so.
The preliminaries are about to begin. Please gather in the center.
Owie. Damn, so strong.
Hey, it looks like the preliminaries are basically over.
Yes, I think you're right.
Look, they posted the tournament matchups.
Awesome, let's go check it out.
We'd better hurry along too.
Right. All of our boys passed the preliminaries, but we still don't know who's fighting who. Oh, come on! I can't see the matchups with all these jerks in the way.
War, can you see it? How about you read it to us?
Sure thing! Let's see. The first match is Shen. I can't quite read who his opponent is. Some kind of mercenary?
A merc, huh?
Ooh, maybe she's one of those femme fatales. Can't wait to get a look at her.
You old bletch.
The second match is... Oh, it's Goku up against... Anonymous.
Well, that's a first.
A nameless fighter? I wonder what they've got to hide.
The third match is Krillin. He's fighting someone called Junior.
Something about that name gives me the creeps. Wonder what Baldy is up against.
The fourth match is Yamcha. He's up against someone called Hero.
I hope they all make it through their first match.
Of course they will. They all trained really hard.
That covers almost everyone. But wait, what about Chaiotzu?
Chaiotzu? Huh. Now that you mention
What could have happened?
Ah, there you are!
Master Roshi! Hey, guys.
I suppose we'll get that story later.
So anyway, everyone made it through the preliminaries, except Chaiotzu. He was injured.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear it. How's the poor boy doing?
They took him to the hospital for treatment.
I see. Hopefully he makes a swift recovery.
So who did that to Chaiotzu anyway? Not just anyone could hurt him like that.
That's what I'd like to know. Master Roshi, do you know Master Shen's younger brother? A guy named Mercenary Tao?
Mercenary Tao? He's the one who beat Chaiotzu? That can't be. Right, Goku?
Right. I beat him ages ago at Korin's tower. He blew up and everything. I was sure he was a goner.
He's still alive, half alive at least, and half robot it seems.
Mercenary Tao wants Tien and Goku dead. And in the first match, he'll get his chance with Tien Shinhan.
Heaven's sake. Well, where is Tien now?
He's alone, gathering his thoughts. He said he'd need perfect focus for this.
He'll be fine. A guy like that doesn't stack up against Tien.
I'll make you eat those words.
Master Shen?
A piece of advice, if I may. You Turtle School saps ought to turn tail and run before you meet an unfortunate end.
Let's get one thing clear, you sorry excuse for a teacher. Tien is no longer with the Turtle School, and neither are these three here. The students have surpassed their master, and now they're each blazing their own path.
Oh, those aren't Turtle School uniforms on their pathetic backs.
They made those themselves, out of respect for yours truly.
Yeah, what he said. Unlike you, Master Roshi inspires tons of respect.
Fine, put on airs while you still can. Just know that you cannot begin to comprehend the strength of Cyborg Tao. How exciting it would be if Tien and his friends had even the slightest hope of beating him.
Oh, gag me with the spoon. That fossil hasn't changed one bit.
Calling all World Tournament fighters. The matches are about to begin. All contestants, please gather in the Martial Arts Temple main building.
Oh, it's time!
Good luck, you guys!
Off you go. We'll be watching. Show us how strong you've become.
Right.
Yeah!
What's up?
Hey! Later!
you